Oh, hayo kininayo. Dama.
Nana.
Dabay. What is the characteristic of your wife as Ilocano?
Characteristic of my wife is Ilocano.
Or what is the trademark
one.
of Ilocano?
Oh, Kuripot.
Kuripot. I am Kuripot?
Yeah, on all of us but yourself. When it comes to you, you're not Kuripot. It's okay.
What is it?
Huh?
I'm Kuripot to myself also.
No, I don't think so. No. Okay, today we need to go to the grocery store for what?
For the sardines. Oh, speaking of sardines. Oh, malapit na mag 1 million ang aking views sa sardines.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh, nus di taga Ilocos. Oh. Nga ag-follow gini ading ko nga chuleng-leng si. Sa nga pulo lang Ikan mi ti tagbabaysada nga sardines. Oh, kahit yaw. Apo nanginan samot day jay. Oh, nangina. Apo puripotak. It's very expensive, loves.
Yeah, it's very expensive,
Yeah,
babe.
we can't afford it. If we gonna be 1 million followers, okay,
Oh,
we give sardines
you're far from 1 million followers, babe.
so that they can't kuripot nga ron. I'm kuripot. Oh, sige, deal. No, kahit yung ti sardines, pagbalin ninyo nga 1 million ti followers ko. Numamati kayo.
Oh, they can go hit up Chulang Lang.
Chuleng-leng.
Oh.
Pati di chuleng-leng, pagbalin
We'll
ninyo.
send some to her, and
Oh.
then they can go and get some off of her
Oh, in Ilocos. Sa panyo danunin Ilocos mo ba?
for no price. It's free.
It's free. Basta 1 million followers Oh, sige. Tapos pag malilin yung million views no kadigi videos, tano da sardinas yaw. Puro chuleng. Okay, di na.